Today going to see what is risk assessment. Risk abound in the world of cybersecurity, from hackers and malware to lost devices and missing security patches. There's a lot on the plate of cybersecurity professionals. Now, of course, addressing each one of these risks takes both time and money. Therefore, cybersecurity professionals need to prioritize their risk in order to spend these precious resources where they will have the greatest security effect. That's where risk assessment comes into play. Risk assessment in the process of identifying, triggering the risk facing an organization based upon the likelihood of their occurrence and their expected impact on the organization. First, we need a common language. In every life, people often use the terms threat, risk, and vulnerability interchangeably. But these are actually three very different concepts. A threat is some external force that jeopardizes the security of your information and systems. Threat might be naturally occurring, such as hurricane and firewall, that is wildfires, or man-made attacks such as hacking and terrorism. You cannot normally control what threats are out of there. They exist independent of your organization. Now there is one related term that you should know about. That threat vector is a method that an attacker used to get to your target. This might be hacker toolkit, social engineering, or physical intrusion, vulnerability or weakness in your society, and the security control that a threat might exploit or undermine the confidential integrity and availability of your information or system. Vulnerability might include missing patches, previous firewall rules, or other security misconfiguration. You do have control over the vulnerability that exists in your environment. And as security professional, we spend much of our time hunting down and remediating vulnerabilities. Risks occur when your environment contains both of vulnerability and corresponding threat that might explore your vulnerability. For example, if you have updated an antivirus signature recently, the hacker released a new virus on internet, you face a risk. You are vulnerable because you are missing a security control. There is a threat due to the new virus. So this is the way so much of the places, and you have to calculate the risk and do the assessment. There is a two type of technique use. One is quantitative technique use, which use objective numeric ratings to assess the likelihood and impact. And the another one is qualitative technique use, which uses subjective judgment to assess risk, typically categorizing them as low, medium, or high. These two techniques we are going to watch in the next videos. Hope you enjoy the video. Please forget the channel, subscribe the channel. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.